Hi, my name is Karen Kibara. I'm the director of Little Stars and Kids Company. It's a modern kindergarten and daycare center located along the Eastern Bypass in Memble Hill Park Estate. It's been a long journey to where I am right now. And as many of us do, you pursue other interests, you take courses, you take careers, you do many things in life, but at the back of your mind you feel, I don't think I'm really where I want to be. That was my story until January, when I started pursuing having my own business, being my own employer, being an employer. And I thank God that I am where I am. Little Stars comes out of a passion. I have a deep passion for children. I love being around children. Children are harmless. They are so innocent. They do not come with their own misgivings. They don't come with, how human beings are, looking at you, how you dress, how you look. They just love you just the way you are. And it has been my long time dream, and I thank God that my dream and my passion found me. I have to say that Centonomy played a very big role in me jumping out there and facing the world and facing the Juakali sector, And I heard about Centonomy through Caroline Mutoko. She was talking about it on Kiss 100, and a friend of mine, a colleague, who said, let's go for the open day. And quite a number of presenters or speakers spoke about how they have been able to jump out of employment and start their own business. I was like, wow, this is speaking to my heart. It's speaking to my soul. I really would want to do that. I want to go out there. I want to run with my dream. I want to pursue my passion. And I enrolled. And the class was just awesome. I learned a lot. I learned how, I've always had the wrong relationship with money, the way I looked at money. What is money to me? Have I been investing for my retirement? And I'm happy that I used to be the first student in class, probably because I didn't work very far away from where the class was taking place. And I had the opportunity of even having one-on-ones with Washeke. And I shared with her who I am and what I was interested in. And she told me, Karen, just wait. Take your time and, wait until the course is over. And at that point, you come and you tell me what you think. And every class, every new topic, every new lecture made me realize, yes, I can do this. I can make it. So I learned about, what money is, how money should be treated, that money should not be looked at emotionally, but as an investment, not as an end by itself, but a means to an end. And I had some money, and I said, I'm going to actually set up a kindergarten, and I did so. So I graduated in November 2013, and in November I sat down and did a business plan, and I realized, wow, oops, the total comes to almost 10 million, but I was like, no, I'll start with what I have. And I started looking for a place. I knew very well that my target was the upper and middle and upper economic levels, groups, and I had to look for where my target clients are. And I walked around and I spoke to people. But as I was looking for premises, I also went around talking to other people who have successful kindergartens and daycare centers. And I went to the upmarket because I wanted my kindergarten to look as posh, as elaborate, and as modern as those ones that are up there in the upmarket. And I found about 5 very wonderful people who took their time to talk to me about what I should expect, what I should look for, how to market, how to make my school interesting, and very attractive to children. And then I knelt down and prayed hard for almost a week and a half that God would show me where to have the premises. And there I was, a friend of mine called me and said, hey, have you gone to Memble Estate? It's a place where, it's a modern place and young families are actually going there. And so we went there and we did a research, and yes, for sure it was the right place. And then we went around in our research and found out that yes, the schools that are there are big schools. They didn't have a small, little, nice kindergarten for babies, you know, especially children from between 1 year and 6 years. There were big schools, and there are many parents who would want their children not to go to school but to play group, to just play and learn to socialize, learn to speak, learn to live within, you know, other people in the society. And I knew we were in the right place. And I sought for a house. We went around the estate with a friend of mine, and we finally found a beautiful house. I approached the owner, and she agreed to give me a lease to do business. And of course, I went to the committee, the committee of the estate, because it's a controlled estate, and they agreed. I convinced them why they need that kind of a service there, and they agreed and gave me the permit to go ahead and run my kindergarten there. And what Centonomy taught me is that if you are going to pursue your dream, don't give up. It is not going to be an easy road. Well, like every business, it had to start from